Blue skies, a lot of sun. That's Calgary, or that's Canada actually. Well, the western half is basking in beautiful sunlight. The eastern half of Canada is getting hit with a major snowstorm. Started today. All of the eastern North America actually. So anyway, just stopped outside to go to the car to get something. So this is it, Calgary. Well, Canada has a horrible snowstorm. We have lots of sun and lots of melting and freezing. Here's the snow. So that's Calgary. That's the weather. Talk to you later. Have fun wherever you are. Be a blessing.